Yeah, the power rule. Now listen, your teacher might call this rule something completely different. We call it the power rule. And what that means is, anytime you have a function where x is raised to a power, now a is just the coefficient on this term, but if x is raised to a numerical power, there's a certain way to find the derivative of a function when it looks like this. And it looks like this. Yeah. So, if my function looks like this, it has a coefficient in x to some numerical power, the derivative looks like this. Now, two things happen. Let's talk about the two things that happened. The first thing that happened was this exponent came down in front as a coefficient. Now, if there's a number out here already and I bring this exponent down to join it, we're going to multiply those two numbers. Yeah, that's not the only thing that changed though. What else changed? The exponent decreased by 1. So two things happen on this power rule. When your function looks like this, to take a derivative, the derivative process for this type of function is called the power rule. We bring the exponent down in front and then take the exponent down by 1. Let me show you a real quick example. There we go. Let's say I wanted to take the derivative of this. All right, power rule. What happens? Yeah, brought the exponent down in front, took the exponent down by 1. Now let's clean up. That's exactly right. Now let's talk about what this tells us. This derivative equation will tell us the slope of that curve at any point. So if I wanted to know what the slope of the curve was at x equals 1, I will plug a 1 right into there. And negative 9 times 1 is negative 9. The slope of that curve will be negative 9 at x equals 1. No estimation, no approximation. Yeah, let me show you one more quick example. Ooh, okay, all right. Now we got two of them. Now, if both of these things obey that condition, I got x to a power, x to a power. There's a power there, right? Isn't it? It's a 1. So we're good. So what I'm going to do is the process here, and then I'm going to do the process again there. Oh yeah, let's do it. Okay, there might be a lot to look at, but let's look at it one piece at a time. 2 comes down. Yeah. And then the 2 goes down by 1. All right. Same thing for here. This 1 comes down, and then the 1 goes down by 1. Let's clean up. Yeah, right? We don't need to write that 1 as an exponent. We know that's there, and 2 times 4 is 8. What is anything to the 0 power? Yeah, so I got negative 1 times 1 is, and there's my derivative equation. Now remember, if we want to find the actual slope at a point, we got to put in that x value, and it'll tell us the slope of the curve at that point. Yes! All right, we're going to do some more in-depth, practice problems, on the next video. Yeah, I'll see you there. Bye, guys.